Can't search on TikTok on your iPhone? This might be due to app glitches, network problems, or restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok search issue on your iPhone step by step. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After these, try this advanced solution. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back to Home and first close the TikTok app from the Recents tab. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see an update available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Now you should be able to search for anything on TikTok using your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Have any questions or video ideas? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.